Listen, 100K. That sounded so cringy. After the 5-month wait, we finally got the silver play button. Hey, this is crazy. But like I said, I can't thank you guys enough for getting me to this point. All the support you guys gave me and everything. But you know, I'm gonna open this up and read the little paper. I already know what it says. I watched so many YouTuber unboxing videos of this for motivation. So anyway, you just done something that very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of reality behind a 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now. Hey, that's that gold play button. That's the next step. But you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely. I ain't even gonna try to say your name. I'm sorry. I'm just saying Susan. The play button finally got here. But listen, I'm actually happy it took a while because y'all know they switched the play buttons around. They made this new one. I'm not gonna lie, I like the new play buttons a lot more than the old ones, so I'm happy it took a minute to get here. Anyway, like I said, every single one of you that subscribed, watched the videos, commented, shared, thumbs up, everything, thank y'all so much for helping me get to this point. Like I said, back when we were like on our way to 100,000, I would watch like so many other YouTubers unbox their play buttons. I watched like DDG, Soluminati. I would just like imagine myself in their shoes getting my play button, you know, open it up and stuff. So it was like crazy when the box came here because I was like, yeah, that's really the play button. But honestly, thank you guys so much. I'm really blessed to be in this position. But I ain't about to say nothing like super cheesy, but I know like a lot of y'all watching probably like, y'all probably have your own YouTube channels too. But like when I first started, I didn't think that like getting this many subs was like practical. I thought it was just like 1 in a million type of people thing. But like when I first started, there was like maybe like 3 or 4 other art channels that like started around the same time as me. Like I'm talking like around this time last year. But anyway, there's a couple art channels that I'm talking about. They like all have over 100,000 subs right now. One of them is like pushing 200,000. Another one like just got over 300,000. So, and throughout that whole year, they're just super consistent, kept uploading. Their content got better like each and every time they upload it. Like all I'm saying is like YouTube is hard. It's hard to get views. I know, like I used to like make the videos, only get like 20, 30 views on the video. But it's not like it's impossible to do. And I know I use like art channels as an example, but I'm not just talking art channels. I'm talking like all types of channels too. Anyway, once again, I just really want to thank you guys for allowing me to get this award, honestly. Anyway, I didn't really have like a drawing planned out for this. I just did like a little sketch to go along as I talked, but I was just gonna go over the type of like videos I had planned for the rest of the month, and probably maybe like the start of July. Anyway, it's the end of June coming up, so I'm gonna do like a little mid-year sketchbook tour to show like all the drawings I did since the start of January. I'm gonna probably have that video dropping by like the end of next week. Along with that, I'm gonna do like, I got like the cheap Copic markers. I know I already told you guys, but I'm gonna do like a little review on it. Maybe not even like a review. I'm gonna just be using them on the drawing. I'm gonna be drawing another YouTuber also in another video next week. I'm gonna have that video out soon, but yeah, I might do a Fortnite drawing. I might just do it. Listen, Fortnite, I don't know. I stopped playing after people started building like skyscrapers and stuff. Yo, everybody just got too crazy with the building and stuff. I don't know how to build like that. I said, you're gonna have to miss me with that, so I just got off the game. But like, I might do a little thing where I draw like my characters in Fortnite or something. I don't know, we'll have to see. But y'all know July is the sketchbook slam challenge, so I'm gonna be doing that for that whole month. And I'm gonna still be releasing normal videos along with that, so hopefully we can get that done. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Next step is a gold play button. You know, it's a long way off, but I know we can reach it. Anyway, thank you guys for the support. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out.